something moving over here. As soon as I turned off the camera. Something over there. Let's do the smart thing and walk towards the sound. I don't hear it now.
Sounds like a clicking sound.
Yeah.
So you ain't the only one who heard it clicking.
Well, I guess we'll wrap up this location. Was hearing something, but stops and we walk towards it. There ain't nobody else out here with us except.
Nope. It's just us.
Except we saw something moving over there, but that's across the lake. But there's nobody here.